Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English classes. I hope you all are fine. You enjoyed your holidays, you enjoyed your Diwali vacation, and you have also given your first semester exam. So now we move on to the second semester. So the second semester, 6th chapter, Expert Detectives. So this is the second semester, first chapter, lesson number 6, Expert Detectives. Open page number 85. Okay, so page number 85. Before I begin with this chapter, I hope you all know what is a detective. Who is called a detective? Yes, one who finds out something secretly. Chupke, sabse chupe chupe, one who finds out secretly. Expert detectives. In this story, we have three children playing the main characters. One is the narrator, and who is the narrator of this chapter? Sharda Dwivedi. She is the narrator, she is one of the children. His younger brother Nishad and sister Maya. So these are the three main characters. Sharda, the narrator, his brother Nishad and sister Maya So they have, in this chapter, you also will see the one of the main character, that is Mr. Nath. And Mr. Nath is the patient of these children, Maya and Nishad's mother. Maya and Nishad's mother is a doctor. So, he is a patient, Mr. Nath is a patient of their mother, who is a doctor. So, I hope this is a small introduction what I gave you. Now, we begin with the chapter. We see the introduction part. Nishad, a boy of 7, also called 7 because his name means the 7th note on the musical scale. So Nishad is studying and is a boy of 7. Why he is called 7? Because his age, what do you mean by age? Uska jo saal hai, he is 7 years old. He is also called 7 because one of the other reason is you have a musical rag. That 7th note means Nishad. Because of that is also called 7. And his 10-year-old sister Maya. These both children are very curious to know about one Mr. Nath. Then one day the children's marble rolls into Mr. Nath's room. One day what happens? As they were playing with the marble, you know what is a marble, no? Yes. And finally Nishad gets a chance to see him. Now you have to find out in the story whether Mr. Nath is a crook on the run. Why is his face badly scarred? Why has he no friends? Nishad's mother, a doctor, knows Mr. Nath as a patient who is very polite. So the children, who are the children in this story? Nishad, Maya and the narrator Sharda. These three children, they are very curious to know, to find out Mr. Nath, how he is, whether he is a criminal, whether he is a polite person, whether he is a good man. So these all things come up to their mind and they try to find out. And because of this finding out about this person, Mr. Nath, it's known as expert detectives because they play the role of detectives. They are finding out something secretly. And because of that reason, this chapter has been named as expert detectives. So are you all able to understand? Okay. So shall we begin with this? Expert detectives. As we walk back towards the clinic, so as they were moving towards the clinic, you know what's a clinic? It's a small hospital. 7 said, he doesn't look anything like a monster, Maya. So Nishad is telling Maya that this Mr. Nath, he doesn't look like a monster. But did you see him? How thin he is? So Nishad has a good heart. So he feels he's feeling pity for Mr. Nath. See, look at him, how thin he is. Maybe he's very poor and can't afford to eat. He's telling that reason that because he's poor, he's not having enough money to buy food for himself, and because of that, he may be thin. He can't be poor if he is crook on the run. Now children, what do you mean by crook on the run? What do you mean by crook on the run? Crook means, the word crook means to cheat, and on the run means he's trying to escape from the police. So Maya is telling that Mr. Nath is not a poor, he is a criminal. He's trying to escape from the police. I told him he's probably got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room. So Maya is telling, convincing whom? Yes, Nishad, that he is hiding. What do you mean by stashed? Stashed means he's hiding millions of rupees. He's got millions of rupees and is trying to escape from the police. He's hiding that money in that room. Do you really think he's a criminal, Maya? Now Nishad is having a doubt. He is not satisfied with Maya. So Nishad is asking, do you really think he's a criminal, Maya? He doesn't look like one. Nishad looked doubtful. So he is not sure that what Maya answered, what Maya said, that he is a criminal and is trying to escape from the police. But Nishad doesn't agree with her. He says that he doesn't look like a criminal. Of course he is 1/7, I said, and certainly is not starving. Now what do you mean by the word starving? Die without food or hunger. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings his meals up from the restaurant downstairs. So Mr. Mehta, he informed them that Ramesh, there's a restaurant downstairs, upstairs is his house. So he brings his meals from the restaurant that is downstairs. So every day he gets the food from the restaurant. So till here, have you understood? Okay. Next page. But Maya, Mr. Mehta told us he doesn't work anywhere. So how can he possibly have money to pay for food? Nishad said. So Nishad is telling Maya that Mr. Mehta, he is the owner of that house in which Mr. Nath stays as a tenant. किराएदार के तौर पे रहता है. So he is telling that Mr. Mehta told them that he doesn't work anywhere. So how is getting money to pay for the food? What is buying the food from the restaurant? Exactly, I exclaimed. He must have lots of money hidden somewhere. So Maya is telling exactly. Exactly means absolutely correct. This is what I am telling you. He has lots of money hidden in his room. Maybe in that trunk in his room. You know what's a trunk? It's a box where you keep your jewels and money. It's probably full of silver and gold and jewels and so going on. So Maya is trying to tell whom? Nishad, that he has lots of money hidden in his room. What rubbish? Nishad interrupted. So interrupted means वो बात को काट दिया उसने. He is telling no, that is not correct. He interrupted by saying, I know, I am right, stupid. I told him, by the way, 7, did you see his cars? I couldn't, it was too dark, but I bet he got them during a shootout with the police or something. So Nishad is telling what rubbish you are speaking, what wrong you are telling. So Maya is telling, I know I am right. Stupid, he is calling stupid whom? Nishad, because he is not agreeing with Maya. So he is telling that what I am saying, what I am telling is correct. And is again putting forward all her views regarding Mr. Nath. She is telling that did you see these scars? What do you mean by scars? जो दाग होते हैं ना, mark of burning. I couldn't because it was too dark, but I bet that उसे ज़रूर उसे गोलीबारी में लगा होगा. Shoot out means गोलीबारी with the police or something. Mummy told us quite clearly that there were burn scars. Nishad said firmly. So Nishad is telling that our mother, who is a doctor, she told us, she is a doctor by profession, so she told us that there were burn scars on his face. Perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out, I suggested. So the narrator, Shraddha, what she said, that कि पुलिस को उसको बाहर निकालने के लिए maybe the police had set his house on fire. 7 looked unsure. So even again, once again, Nishad, he didn't wanted Mr. Nath to be a criminal, to stand in that place of criminal. So he is trying to put forward all the marks what are against him. उसके मिस्टर नाथ के ऊपर जितने भी गलत सवाल बात बोले जा रहे हैं, he is standing, is trying to defend by saying no, he is not a criminal, he is not cheating, he is a very good and polite man. Now what happens? On the Monday following Mamma's birthday, 7 went alone with her to the clinic at Girgaon as I was spending the evening with a school friend. So the next day on the Monday, when it was Mamma's birthday following, means coming after, उसके बाद में उसके मम्मा का birthday था. So 7 wanted to spend time with her mom. So 7 went alone with her to the clinic at Girgaon, and the narrator was spending the evening with a school friend there. When they returned, Nishad told me that he had been to see Mr. Nath, and I felt most annoyed that I hadn't been there. So, and as they were returning, as they returned from there, Nishad told this narrator Shraddha that he went to see Nath. Why Shraddha felt annoyed? Annoyed means upset, because she wasn't there at that time. She wanted to see Mr. Nath. 7 had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance. So 7, after looking at him, after he saw him, he was very upset. Why? Because of Mr. Gaunt appearance. Now what do you mean by gaunt? So what do you mean by gaunt? Gaunt means this word. Gaunt means very thin. So he was very upset about Mr. Nath's very thin appearance, and he was sure that he was starving. And after looking his outward appearance, Nishad felt very sad. He was very upset because he thought he was starving. He was dying out of hunger. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." So, Nishad told the narrator, Sharda Dwivedi, that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door and told him to open the door quickly. Mr. Nath had opened it and asked him, "Lost another marble?" So, as soon as Mr. Nath opened the door, he thought these children have come to take their marble. As they were playing, he thought they must have lost the marble. And Mr. Nath is asking, "You have come to take the marble, lost another marble?" He had obviously recognized my brother. So, Sharda is telling that he had obviously recognized his brother. "No," said Nishad. He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. So Nishad, he refused. He said, "No, that I have not come to take any marble." But what Nishad did, he took a bar of chocolate. Okay, he took a bar of chocolate and he placed it on his hand. Did you get a chance to peek into the trunk? 7, I asked. So narrator asked Nishad that तुझे मौका मिला? Did you get a chance to look quickly and secretively into the trunk? कि उसके trunk में आखिर है क्या? Nishad looked disappointed. He didn't even ask me in, he said. Then he smiled. But I did find out something, Maya. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him. So Nishad was disappointed. Why? Because Mr. Nath didn't even tell him to come in, he said. But then he smiled. Later on, he became happy. Why? Because he got to know something more about Mr. Nath. He had found out something more about him. Some more details about Mr. Nath. And what was that? He went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and he talked to him about Mr. Nath. Good for you, Mr. Detective, I said, patting him on the back. So Sharda, he patted him back. I am proud of you. Acha kaam kiya. I hope you questioned him properly. So you know who all questions. कौन इतना ज़्यादा पूछताछ करता है? Yes, a detective who is trying to find out secretively some details about someone. So Sharda was happy that as a detective, Nishad played a good role as a detective. He went up to Ramesh and he asked questions about Mr. Nath. I hope you questioned him properly. 7 looked pleased. Ramesh told that he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening. So, what happens? Ramesh tells Nishad that every day, subah or sham ko, he takes 2 meals and 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Ramesh says he is not very particular about what he eats. It's always the same food. So he is not so much particular कि मुझे यही खाना है, मुझे something different he wants to have. No. Every day is very routine, is very normal in his diet. He wants the same kind of food every day. He eats 2 chapatis, some dal and a vegetable. Very normal and simple food he eats. He is not so much very different kind of person to eat every day different food. Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well. Tips well means उसको अच्छे पैसे देते तुरंत because as a waiter उसको tips दिया जाता है. So Mr. Nath pays him well as he comes to give the food. He pays immediately the cash and also the tip. Ramesh told me something very strange, Maya. So Ramesh, 7 is telling he found something. He told him something that was very strange. And what was that? Almost every Sunday, he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room and the same man is with him each time. So on every Sunday, one particular man, that particular man comes and visits him. He carries lunches to Mr. Nath's room and the same man is with him each time. He is tall, fair, stout and wears spectacles. So he is describing the appearance of that man, that visitor. Ramesh says his visitor talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath who hardly speaks. So Mr. Nath only listens and the visitor who always pays the visits on Sunday, he keeps on talking and Mr. Nath keeps on listening. He speaks very rarely. Well then, Nishad, I told him, now that we have made some progress with our inquiries, we'll have to sort out all the facts like expert detectives so that we can trap the crook. So he's proud. Now, okay, बहुत अच्छा किया है, शाबाशी दे रहा है. Nishad, I told him. Now we have got little bit of information about Mr. Nath, who's the visitor who comes on every Sunday. So we can have more information and we can finally see who that person is. And we have to search all the inquiries like expert detectives. तो हम लोग उसको पकड़ सकते हैं. We can trap the crook. How can you do go on, Maya? 7 sighed. How can you possibly imagine is a crook? He looks so ordinary. So again, Nishad is not moving with the answer what Maya gave. So how can you go on, Maya? He said He hardly looks like a crook. He doesn't. How can you possibly imagine? He doesn't. He looks so ordinary. By the outward appearance, he looks so simple, thin, so polite. How can you ever imagine such a thing in your mind that he's a cheat? He's a criminal. Criminals can look quite ordinary, smarty, I retorted. So, the narrator telling Nishad that the criminals, they look ordinary. Did you see the picture of the Hyderabadi housebreaker in the papers yesterday? He looked like any man on the street. Nishad looked doubtful. So, the narrator telling Nishad that did you see the picture of that Hyderabadi housebreaker? Maybe some robber. So he's looked like any ordinary man on the street. He doesn't look. So what they are trying to tell, Maya and the narrator, what they are trying to tell Nishad is that Mr. Nath is a criminal. But Nishad is not willing to accept Mr. Nath as a criminal. He finds Mr. Nath a very ordinary and a simple man. The monsoons broke the next day. That means it started raining. Dark clouds accompanied by blinding flashes of lightning and roaring rolls of thunder burst with all their fury. So, monsoon started, and you all know when monsoon starts, what happens? You have lightning, you have thunders, flashes of lightning, the sounds of thunder and all started coming. Flooding the street with a heavy downpour, it started raining so heavily. School was to have reopened after the summer holidays, but no traffic could move through the flooded roads, and there was an unexpected holiday. So they were having their summer holidays and it was about to reopen the school. But very same day what happened? It started raining heavily and the roads were all covered with heavy traffic. The roads could not move with the traffic as the roads were flooded. So there was an unexpected holiday. I thought I would spend the time usefully. So the narrator is telling, the narrator thought that वो जो छुट्टी का जो दिन है उसको बड़े usefully he would use that time. I sat at my desk in our bedroom with a sheet of paper before me. So he took a paper and he sat down and started thinking. So children, this is the first part of your chapter. I have already completed the first part. Second part, I'll send you the explanation. I'll send you in the next video. So I hope you all have understood the first part of the chapter. Is it clear to all? Okay. So what is your homework? You have to read the chapter. Okay. Read the chapter. And if you don't understand any of the words, when I take online doubt clearing session, you can ask me the doubts. After you read the chapter, you take out your notebook and write the meanings of only the first part. Okay. And I am going to send the PDF of the 3 question answers. Is that clear to all? Okay. Thank you children and take care.